Hi, I'm Beth, and I'm a navigator at Undivided. Navigators are here to provide one-to-one help, guidance, and support as you advocate for everything your child needs to thrive. Whether you need help with school, public benefits, insurance, or finding the right provider. Let's talk about how we can help you navigate education and IEPs. Let me introduce you to your number one tool in staying organized and confident this school year, the Undivided app, available on web and mobile. When you talk with your navigator about your priorities for your child's education, we'll help you set goals that come with step-by-step guides and customizable checklists to break down big tasks into simple steps. Stressed about prepping for that IEP meeting? Well, we have a plan for that. Our guide walks you through every step with printable templates, videos from special education experts, articles where you can learn more, and tips. If you ever get stuck, your navigator is here to help with unlimited messaging and monthly boost calls. Also located in the Undivided app is your super binder. Upload your child's IEP, work samples, health plan, provider service logs, and anytime you need them, your documents are all in one place. Want to share them with your IEP team and providers? Okay, you can do that with the click of a button. One of our favorite documents that we create for our clients is called All About Me. It's an introduction to your child, highlighting their strengths and areas of need, and summarizing their IEP goals, accommodations, and services. Your navigator will work with you to create this document so that it's all ready to share with anyone on your child's team. Most Undivided navigators are also parents of kids with disabilities and learning differences, so we know how important it is to get our kids the supports and services they need to learn. Undivided's education advocacy team can provide personalized assistance from strategizing during IEP prep to attending your IEP meeting, reviewing the draft, and ensuring the school is actually doing what they agreed to do. Whether you want to plan out the next week, month, or 5 years, we're here for you. Talk to a navigator today about how we can help support your child. Thanks.